Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to find profitable dropshipping products on Facebook without spending money on extensions, spy tools, or plugins. We're going to learn how to use Facebook's ad library to search for multiple keywords and filter out the best products for your niche. I'm going to show you a simple and effective method to find dropshipping products on Facebook using only free tools that Facebook provides. By the end of this video, you will be able to find winning products for your dropshipping business in minutes. So the website we're going to be using is Facebook Ads Library, and you can find that just by searching for Facebook Ad Library, and it's going to bring you to this page here. And we're going to be using this search function. So the first thing we want to do is select the country, and we can either have all countries or we can select specific countries. So choose whichever one that you want to sell in. You can then choose an ad category. We're just going to go for all ads at the moment. And then we need to search by keyword. And in order to find dropshipping ads, the best way to do that is to search free shipping. That's the first term we want to search. You then need to add an L bar, which is this icon here. And then you want to add your niche. So if that's kitchen gadgets, you need to put that. We're going to have a look at pet. Once you've added your keyword, you need to press enter to search. And it's going to bring up all of the ads in your niche. So you can see we've got a pet bed over here. We've got some grooming products, a collar, and we can click on see ad details to have a look at the product a bit closer. There's a video there that we can watch, and they've also got the shop now button, so you can head to the website and take a look at it. You've also got some information about the advertiser, including a link to their social media page. So basically, you can just scroll through here and have a look at all of the different products that are available. And these are all going to be really great options for your drop shipping. And if we wanted to, we could go over to filters on the top right-hand corner, and you could filter them a little bit more. So if you just wanted to search for English ads, you can do that. You can choose the platform. So let's take a look at things that are just on Facebook because we are looking to sell on Facebook. You can change the media type, but we're just going to keep looking for all. And we want to look at active ads, which are currently running. And you can choose the impression date. So we could make this a little bit more recent. So we could just look within the last year or so and update that. And there you go. You've got a few different options now. So we've got these car seat covers. That looks like a really great product that would probably be really popular. We've got this really cool cactus cat scratch post. Again, probably be very popular product to sell. And of course, if we head back up to the search bar at the top, we can change the word pet. We can look at some different niches to see what's available. Let's have a look at kitchen. So we've got some water bottles or juice bottles. They're very, very popular at the moment. Lots of really unusual kitchen gadgets that I'm not really familiar with, but they could be very popular. And another way to find some dropshipping products rather than adding free shipping as a keyword, you could search for something like 50% off. And let's just change that niche again. Let's have a look at gadgets. And there we go. We've got some different products here. What's this? This is got like a leg warmer thing for cramps, I suppose. Yeah, lots of different things to take a look at. And you can just spend some time scrolling through here, taking a look at all the different products that are on offer and pick ones that you think are going to sell really well, ones that are going to do really well in your niche. So that's it for the video. I hope you enjoyed it and learned something new. Now you know how to find dropshipping products on Facebook using the ad library and keywords. This is a powerful technique that can help you find hot products in your niche and save you time and money. Thanks for watching.